Now let's improve the document look by inserting some smart art. As we can see here that the document look is very simple, and if you want to insert some charts and other shapes or something like that to improve the look, what we can do is just scroll down to the bottom. Let's experiment with these and then we will apply it to the whole document. So let's go to the Insert tab, and here we have the option of Smart Art. We have the multiple options to select from. We have the list type of graphics, we have the process cycles, hierarchy, relationship matrix, pyramid, whatever we want to create. So first of all, let's select a process. So for example, we select this process. Let's click OK. We will see all the text to fill here. So for example, we write here beginner level, intermediate level, and here advanced level. And also let's say at this point we want to insert one more box. We have one more level. So what we will do is we'll just press enter here, and then we can see immediately the new box appears just with the same style. And here we can say that this is an expert level. Once we are done, we can just close this and we can click anywhere within the document and we have the final results. Now, if we want to move it anywhere, we can just move it like a picture. We can make all of these settings so we can fit it anywhere we want. Let's say we want to fit it here. And as soon as the smart art design is inserted, you will notice that we have a special tab here where we can change the colors. If we don't like the standard colors, we can change it to something like this. This looks nice. We can try different levels, whatever suits us. We can use that. Let me just increase the size. And then you can also change the style of it. If you want the intense effect, we can try around and play with this. We can use the 3D format, the polish format, and whatever you like here. And same thing goes for the other things. Let's say I want to insert the hierarchy now. We will insert something like this. And if we want this with pictures, we can select this. For example, this is picture organization chart. And you want to create something like, here is director of the company. And here is the CEO. And CEO controls Mr. A, who is an accountant, Mr. B, who is HR, Mr. C, who is in marketing, and we also want to insert some more names. Now, if we don't see the text editor here to insert more fields, we can go to the Smart Design and enable the text pane here. And here we can insert more. Let's say we are on Mr. C and we want to insert one more at this level. So hit enter and we can see one more here. So this is Mr. D. And let's say these are of operations. Now we can insert some pictures. You can insert from the stock images directly as well. Now here it is not setting in properly. So what we can do is we can try another one. Let's say like this. What we can also do is we can choose some icons from here. So for example, this icon right here. For accountant, I want to choose some icon. Let's say this one. For HR, we will choose this one. Let's say for marketing, we will choose this one. And for operations, we will choose, let's say this one. So this is how we can customize all of the details. And after that, we can just format according to our requirements and change the colors so that it can look more dynamic and attractive. So for example, I've chosen this one, and let's now resize according to your requirements and we are good to go. Now, if we want to change the shapes at this level, what we can do is just select this and just choose the shape. And let's say we want to select this rectangle style here. Now let's say at any particular level, I want to set a team here. So for example, under the accountant comes 3 bookkeepers. So I'll add the shape here and I'll add the shape again and I'll add the shape again. And here the layout should be standard. So now we can see that it is arranged in the same way. We can also change the layout to left hanging or right hanging like this. What we can also do is if we go to the format and let's say I want to keep these shapes as different. Since they are working under the accountant, I want to choose a different shape for that. So for the subcategories, I can go to the format and choose anything like, let's say a different format like this one, or let's say a circle. Now, if you want to change the shape for all of them, we can just select all of these and then change the shape. So it will change the shape for all. Now this is all about the smart art, but if you want to manually insert some shapes, we can go to the insert tab and choose the shape here. Now if we draw it like this, you can notice that I can design the shape of any type. Like for example, even this much thin, I can design that. But if you want to insert a proper, let's say, box, so in that case we will choose the shape and then we will hold the shift key. What it will do is it will move it in proportionate size. So whatever length I choose, it will automatically select the bottom area as well, and it will always create a box in that proportion. And then we can format that accordingly, and we have the same options. The shape format will open where we can choose the format details and we can enter the text here in the center. By default, we have the text option here. And then again, we can align the text, we can change the text direction, and we can format the text as well. Now, whenever you want to create a duplicate of any box with the same formatting, with same everything, we can just select that from the corner. If you see this selection sign, which indicates the arrows on each side. So you can select from the corner and just hold the control key and then just move it anywhere. It will make the copy of the existing shape. Now similarly, I can add some more shapes. Let's say I want a arrow between these. So we can find that here. Let's say I want a line, simple line here. So we can insert a line like this. We can make the copy of it by holding the control key, and we can also format that however we want. Let's say like this. So we can see we have different shapes here. So I want you to try all of these shapes and select what suits for you according to your business or job requirements. What shapes or flowcharts is useful for your scenario. So this is how you can work with shapes. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.